Hi guys, I am Rebecca and these are my reviews, and I have another Glamour jewelry box. So this, I believe, is the February box. These boxes are $29.95 a month with $3 shipping. You can save a little bit of money if you do a 3-month prepay. Also, I have a discount code for you which gets you 10% off. Yay. Also, I got to pick out which earrings I was going to get. So that was nice. I always love when you can customize. Also, you can skip months if you just don't want to box that month for whatever reason, which I think is awesome. I love skippable subscription boxes. So let's see what I got. Ooh, fun. Okay, so the first thing is this necklace. That's pretty, isn't it? Kind of delicate and sweet. Oh, and it has 3 adjustable things if you want it shorter or longer, which is nice. I don't know if I chose the right length with this shirt, but whatever. It's cute. Oh, I love it. I really like that. That's really pretty. This is super cute. So it's a cuff bracelet with those little nubbins on the end of it. Let's try it on. My issue with this style of bracelet is that these things always end up popping off. Every bracelet I've gotten like that just ends up breaking for some reason. I don't know if it's me, it's probably me. Anyway, that's really cute. I love cuff bracelets like this. And then for the earrings. Ah yes, these are the ones that I chose. So these ones, you put the end through your ear and then lace it through so that it dangles on both sides of your ear, which is just such a fun and interesting way to wear earrings. So let me try these on for you. So you see you lace that back part through your ear and then it dangles like so. Isn't that cool? I love these earrings. I'm so excited about everything. What a fun box. All right, well, I will leave all of the information in the description box. Don't forget to use my discount code so that you can get 10% off. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.